the show. Hello there. We are back. And we are here in the early New York session. How's everybody doing? Look at that. We're slowly getting higher, going higher on NQ. What a surprise, right? Roth, hello there. Good morning. Welcome. So slow grind, going higher. Going higher. Hey, and hello, see ya. N25, welcome. Okay, 20 points to go until 600. It should be busting through that level, right? At least that's how it looks like it. Hey, Moses, good morning. War tension could be bullish. Yeah, it seems like that's the new trend. Who knows? Yeah, kind of crazy, kind of crazy. All right, let's see. Doing great, thank you. Doing okay. I was kind of wondering if we can get through that 600 level. We had a short trade and then a long trade in London session. Ended up in a small profit, so that's good. Otherwise, not much. All is well. All is well. So let's see. Are we? I'm definitely eyeballing with that 600 level. If price wants to go through or not, but we could be seeing some pullback, liquidity sweep all the way down below 530. Who knows? Could be a bit of a drop here. So gotta be ready. Gotta be ready. Okay, so this is gold according to the indicator. We are seeing a further drop here, and NQ also dropping back down just a bit. How are you guys? Oh, look at this rejection from the top there. What a rejection. It might gonna have some trouble getting through that 600, but who knows? It is definitely getting rejected. All right, anyway, let's see. So there is a level down there on gold, which is a 15-minute demand zone. Down there. Could be interesting. We do have the almost same kind of new week opening gap here on gold, which is also kind of interesting. So let's just put it there and see what's going to happen. Let's see what's going to happen here. So new week opening gap. New week opening gap low. And new week opening gap high up there. Okay. And that's gold. And I'll be curious what's going to happen on NQ. I honestly do. Let's smash the like button, everybody. Let's see if we can pump those numbers here in New York session for a little bit more viewers there. Okay, so NQ going down a little bit more. Ba-da-ba-dum. Hey Farhad, good morning, hello. How's it going? I got to see. Hello. Welcome, Maria. Good to see you. How's everybody? So, are we gonna go through this level again? I mean, I'm referring to the 600. Mark, hello, good afternoon. Hey, Beach Bud, what's up? The live stream, I'm not the live streaming king, but I like to be here with the community, of course. And of course, that's what I do. I mean, I'm here, we're trading. I'm still kind of eyeballing with this level. Is it gonna smash through that 600 or not? Alicia, hello there. Hey, what's up? So I'm kind of wondering, are we gonna go through or not? That's the big question. We don't have any news, I think. I mean, the only news we have is at 10 a.m. Terry is here. Oh my gosh. Applause to Terry. Hello. How's it going? Good morning. Hey. No big changes. Small changes in risk management, but I mean, I would be looking for the same levels. And I told you guys I will be using the indicator that I was showing last week and like in the last couple of weeks a little bit more, quite a few more times. But I will be looking at the same thing, the same supply demand zones, no changes. You're excited? Oh yeah, I mean, we got a little bit closer. I got the word that it's gonna be ready soon for TradingView. I might going to upload it somewhere because there's a technically 99.9% finished release, so which is available to download for only MetaTrader 5 if you guys want it. I mean, on MetaTrader 5, the only thing you have to, I mean, for example, I'm using it on EBPVUZHX demo account, so you can apply for a demo account at EBPVUZHX and you'll have the data and you can easily install the indicator there, but it will be ready for TradingView soon. All right, so far sideways action, absolutely welcome, Terry. I mean, this is gonna be, I mean, I'm not saying put the house on the indicator because that's not how it's gonna work, but it does give me some really good results. There was a nice short opportunity here which I did not take. There was a really good long position, actually no, short trade that I took earlier here. There was a beautiful signal 1-to-1, and then here a beautiful long position. Anyway, some real good signals here and there. But yeah, I'm just waiting for the coder to finish up for TradingView. He told me that there might gonna be some minor things that are not gonna be at the same spot as on MetaTrader, but the logic would be the same. But anyway, it will be working. So, how's everybody doing? I'm kind of looking for gold to go a little bit lower, to be honest, because we still have that gap. Still kind of wondering if it would go a little bit lower here. But yeah, we'll see. And of course, focusing on NQ. We have that fair value gap at 606, 603 as the high level of that 5-minute supply zone that we're in right now. You short gold from 44.30. That's a good one. Actually, I jumped into a short as well on gold. Let me see. My entry is... Oh, my entry is also 44.30. 44.30 is my entry too. Exactly 44.30.6, 0.4, and 0.9 because I'm copying this one. It's only a small trade. Let me see. This is not it. It's gonna be a long-term target, long-term like intraday target, and it's not based on the indicator. But here's the trade. But yeah, this is gold only, so nothing special. We're just gonna leave it be, you know. Anyone on TPT Pro Plus? I'm not. I was almost on a Pro Plus, but I blew up the account, so no. But let us know the question. Maybe someone will know. It might not gonna be able to push through that 600. It's kind of having some trouble. All right. How far can this one go? How far can this go? I just can't decide. I mean, should we wait for a little bit more to get closer to that 600 to jump into a scalp or not? That's the only thing I'm kind of can't decide. Last time I had the Pro Plus, I thought the drawdown was 4,500, 4,500. Yeah, it was below when I went down 2,500. I mean, depends when, because that's interesting. Okay. Depends on how much money were transitioned to that live account. What was your initial balance? It should have been on your dashboard to follow through. Oh yeah. Oh man, I see that. Okay, that could be okay. I see why that's a tough question. It also depends what your dashboard is saying. So I would say that. So if there's a buffer that you need to push or you need to maintain, that could be an issue. I'm not sure. Angika, yes, PMI number 4 p.m. Which is gonna be 10 a.m. Eastern Standard. Yes. Yeah, that I think support is going to be able to provide in more details. Unfortunately, I don't know exactly once you're on the live account. if you have to maintain a certain buffer or not. Yeah, and by the way, with the Pro Plus account, the traders on the Pro Plus have a faster support. That's what I've been told. They have a unique, quote unquote, unique support or fast support once they need some help. Yeah. You have the Pro Plus support. I remember they told me as well, like, oh yeah. But definitely read the FAQ, check your dashboard. It might have to do something with keeping or maintaining a certain amount of buffer. It might have to do with that. So, you know. Okay, so far nothing is happening here. Yeah, if daily loss limit, then depends on if the daily loss limit counts or not. I don't think there's a daily loss limit there. Should not be. Or if that's a daily loss limit there only, well, it could be just a soft breach. But all right, so far NQ is hovering here, nothing special. You really need a buffer, yeah, but you'll need that to wrist for next day. Yeah, the same goes like just like other prop firms. Yes, Des, thank you for the update. Hey Nick, hello, good morning. Can you explain the lifetime PA fees? Yeah, sure. Well, basically I'm assuming you're talking about Apex. So right now there's a promo, of course. If you pass the account today or tomorrow at Apex, there's a discount on the lifetime activation fee. So you pass the account, you have to pay the activation fee, and that's it. You're done. No more monthly fees or any other payments that you have to make. The lifetime activation fees basically just assures you that there is no more monthly payment. The activation is paid for lifetime, quote unquote. I mean, as long as you keep the account, and that's it. So if you go outside of the current promo by passing the account, then I think the lifetime activation fee goes back to $140, I think. But there's a monthly option too at Apex. I think it's $85 or $80, something like that. 85, I think. So you can pay a monthly as well. But don't worry, if you want, you can still pay, like, the regular price is $140. That's what you have to pay once you pass the evaluation account. That's it. I think maybe that's what you were referring to. So once you pass your eval, you have to pay the activation fee, and that's a one-time payment only. Metrics, oh sorry, Metrics, Merit. Oh my gosh, I can't read. Merit, hello there. Probably should, yeah, maybe. Trading Star is here in the flesh. How you doing, Trading Star? How's it going? So if I don't do the lifetime, I have to pay a monthly fee for the PA once I pass. Yes, exactly. So you can choose practically whether you're doing it under the promo right now or not. Don't worry, there's going to be a one-time payment for quote unquote lifetime, which is going to be $140 after the promo ends. It's going to be $140 right now. I think it's $65. So it's $140, or you can choose not to pay the $140, but then you have to pay a monthly. Now keep in mind, if you go with the monthly payment, you cannot go to the lifetime payment after that. You can't change it. You have to stick with the monthly payment. There is no option to go back to lifetime. So you have to make the decision, and that's final, you know, only on that particular account, of course. Yeah, great job, by the way, Alicia, on the Pro Plus account. That's a really amazing job. And that's really something like, it's not everybody's getting to the Pro Plus. That's real discipline. That's real discipline there. Take Profit Trader is definitely awesome. Yes, Take Profit Trader is awesome. We all love Take Profit Trader. Absolutely GOAT prop firm. So we like it. We like them. Where can I find the MT5? It's not uploaded yet, Greg. It's not uploaded, but I will upload it. I'm just waiting for the coder to comply it, because right now it's open source, which it will be open source, but he told me that he's going to comply it and send it over so I can upload it somewhere. I will send the link, or I will share a link below or somewhere in the stream, in the chat. Trading Star doing good, thank you. Hope you had a great weekend. So currently, this is the indicator on NQ. It's not really, I mean, I think it's just gonna push higher, to be honest. My opinion is that we should be pushing through 600 real soon. And otherwise, gold is kind of interesting as well. Gold is definitely interesting. So I do have this gold position, but this would be an intraday swing position on gold on my end, just saying. So this would be definitely an intraday swing position. But we'll see how it goes. It might gonna take a couple of hours. Funded Futures Network sim funded account. So it's actually very simple with Funded Futures Network. As an individual currently, Hamid, yeah. Buffers and payouts, yes. So first of all, I'm gonna go with the 50K account as an example. So first of all, you get the evaluation account. The goal is to put it to, I mean, to get it to 53K, obviously. And then you're going to get the second account, which is called the exhaustion account. I don't know, it's kind of a strange name, but anyway, it's going to call, or exhibition. Exhaustion, exhibition is not the same. Exhibition account, sorry. Exhaustion. Oh my gosh. I do remember some prop firms saying exhaustion account. So, yeah, so you're gonna get the exhibition account. All right. Yo, Brian Coelho, hello there. Thank you for subscribing. So welcome. So the thing is, then the second account is gonna be the exhibition account. Okay, the exhibition account is basically hello, Brian, and hello, Teacher FX is here. Hello. So the exhibition account, the goal is to build up the buffer, just like almost all the other prop firms, right? The buffer on the 50K account is $2,000 plus 100, maybe. I'm not sure if there's an extra 100 to lock in. But anyway, you got to make $2,000 on the exhibition account, all right? That's the second phase, basically. But then that's the difference with Funded Futures Network. They're splitting it to 3 different stages. So once you finish up with the exhibition account, which is building up your buffer, then you are going to get a third account, a third one. So they're going to take away the exhibition account and you are going to be presented with a third account, and the initial balance on the third account is going to be $52,000, and that is going to be a static account. So that's going to be your third account. Basically, I don't know why they're doing it like this. It doesn't really matter, I guess. But you're going to have a third account, which is going to be a static account. That's going to be the funded account. Your only job is to keep the account above $50,000. So you start from $52,000. You got to maintain it above $50K. That's it. Minimum payout is, I think, how much is that? $500? No, maybe $1,000. I'm not even sure. Anyway, I think it's 500. From that moment, once you get the funded account, which is the third account, is basically whenever you make some profits, is basically those are the profits that you will be requesting as long as you keep your account above $52,000. No daily loss limit, and that's it. How could this New York PM session? Not so good, I think, Merit. Not so. I'm not really a fan of New York PM session. Really, I'm not really a big fan of that. So you are welcome, Trading Star. So just saying, Trading Star, they're gonna take away the second account once you reach 52, and they're gonna give you a third account. That's how they do it. I don't know why. TPT don't support companies any longer. Yes, I know. I was reading about it. Yeah. Actually, there is actually there's no way. Yeah. They only support individuals. Yeah, technically. Yeah. I wanted to say something like, how can you still channel your money into a company as an individual? But I don't want to go into details because I don't want to give financial advice, and the law could be different in other countries than Hungary. So anyway, in my country there might be another way to do it, but anyway, yeah, they're only doing it with individuals. Actually, by the way, I think I've heard you can still do you can still trade with them as business, but there's a lot more criteria that you have to manage with. So you have to pay data fee for as a professional. You have to pay a lot of other things. Anyway, there's some disadvantages if you want to force yourself as a company. What firms do you use to trade gold? I trade gold on every prop firm. I trade gold on MyFundedFutures. This is on MyFundedFutures, by the way, what you see here, this trade. I trade gold on MyFundedFutures, Funded Futures Network, Apex. I trade gold regularly, Bulenox. Basically, all of these prop firms, because these are futures, gold futures, I trade every one of these prop firms. You're welcome, Merit. Mr. Brownie, hello. Is there a way to connect TradingView to TradeAway? TradingView is not working. To connect TradingView to Trading, yeah, there should be a way. I mean, if you go here to your TradingView account, now I'm logged into paper trading. All right, so I'm gonna log out, and you just click on TradeAway. You go to your TradingView, you connect to TradeAway, and that's it. But I guess you know it already. I don't want to click on it because you will see my credentials, because I have some credentials being typed in, but just click on it and log in. That's it. You always got to make sure to choose simulation account or demo account or whatever when being asked. So that's it. Super simple, right? Yeah. Go to TradeAway. Oh, the add-ons tab. Oh my gosh. Octavian, thank you. Thank you for the help. I didn't know that, by the way, because I don't trade on TradeAway specifically. So you might have to go to the add-on and activate the TradingView add-on. That's free. So open your TRADEIFY platform or on web or on the application. Go to the add-ons and it's free to activate the TradingView connection. And then you can just do it like I showed you. Should not be an issue. Yeah. Thank you, Michael. Oh yeah, totally forgot. Yeah. Sign the agreement and then you should be able to connect. But still not working. Not working. That's interesting. I don't know why not. By the way, I totally forgot, but there was a short signal here on NQ and I didn't take it. I don't know why. There was a short signal, absolutely valid short signal here from this area. Actually, from here. So that means 14 points. Oh my gosh. Okay. I didn't take that. This was a beautiful short trade that I didn't take. Anyway, shoulda, woulda, coulda, but I didn't take this trade. It still has not reached the TP. I think the final TP would be that level at 48, I think. Yeah, 47, 48 maybe. But yeah. Could be sweeping that level down there. Anyway. Dun, 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 dun. Hey Prey, what's up? Have you ever used PropShop? I tried them once last year. Nothing bad to say about them. I just haven't really traded with them lately, but I haven't really heard too much about them since then. So nothing bad to say on my end because I don't know how they're operating nowadays. But yeah. Let's see how this gold looks like. Okay, gold is looking good, actually. And this one might just try to push it one more time. To that 600, who knows? Oh, sorry. Clicked on the wrong chart here. I might gonna close down that gold trade though. I'm thinking about it. Let's see. Yeah, we'll see. So far, we're still hovering in this area. I don't know if NQ will be able to push it up there or not. Kind of a strange situation. And we don't have any news until 10 a.m. So we might just have to wait a little bit more. Dun, 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 dun. So let's wait. Gold is slowly, might be going lower, I don't know. But we'll see. So, yeah. So far, that's it. And let's just wait for it. But yeah, gold is, yeah, slowly might be going lower. And no news. At least for now. Interesting question, and I can't make my mind. Should I reset 50k Lucid Flex or buy 50k? $1 free. Well, what's the difference? $1. I mean, sorry, yeah, sorry. Buy 50k with one free. Is there a buy one get one for free again? Did they put it back? I'm not sure. If they put it back, if the buy one get one free is back, I think that's back, right? Oh yeah, it's back. All right. Buy one get one free is back until January 16. All right, so that's good to know. I would buy a buy one get one free account. Just saying, it's a real good price. If I mean, you get twice the chance basically. The buy one get one free promo is back. I just checked it. So yeah, Funded Futures Network, buy one get one free is back, everybody. I would buy the buy one get one free. I think it's a really good deal. I mean, you know, obviously you have to take care of both the accounts. If you blow up your initial paid account, you still have to keep the subscription though. But it's a good deal. It's a really good deal. It's a really, really good deal. It's I think it's $75 right now. So for $75, you're getting two 50k accounts with no activation fee. So that's a really good deal. Two 50k accounts, no activation fee. I think it's definitely a good deal. Yeah, no activation fee. No, absolutely no activation fee. So, you know, that's why many traders like it, because there's also no activate. Basically, you're getting a 50k account with no activation fee for $37.50. So that's a real good one. I'm gonna have to update the flyer on my community post page because I forgot to put this on. So yeah, thank you so much, Trading Star. Thank you for the support, man. Yeah, gold looks good. Still hovering in this area, holding the position. Just like NQ is hovering around here. kind of wondering how far can it go. The promo code is TOMSABO. You can get all these promos with the same code. You can use my code TOMSABO, or by the way, whatever else code you would like to use. But my code is good for Funded Futures. We were talking about Funded Futures Network, by the way. So that's not my Funded Futures, but yeah, you can use the TOMSABO code. Yeah. Oh, wow. Look at that. It's going lower. I mean, NQ. All right. We have a bit of a potential drop here on NQ to sweep some levels below that 48. Let me check it. Why do I keep switching between the other way? I think it should be sweeping below 48 here. Anyway, we'll see. The low there is 48. What's the low here? Almost 47. So it could be sweeping this area here, right there. Hey, Roth, thank you. I haven't tried Onyx. I would stay with the Rhythmic Connection if possible, or Ninja Trader. I think they have Ninja Trader, right? Or they use it with Rhythmic. Maybe they have the Rhythmic connection on Ninja Trader there. So I would stay with that. All right, so far the gold trade is looking good. So far, so good. Let's see how far we can manage to go with it. NQ dropped down a little bit, which is still good. You know, at this point, I might just gonna take the risk a little bit off, and this is gonna be like an intraday swing position. If it takes it out, then let it be. I just don't want to hold that position for longer than is necessary. There is no buy one get one. It shows 20% on my fund. It's not MyFunded Futures. It's Funded Futures Network. Funded Futures Network. It's not. It's. Let me paste it. Just a second. It's not MyFunded Futures. It's Funded Futures Network. A completely different platform. Actually, let me go to Funded Futures Network. Let me check it. So here's the link. Funded Futures Network. $6 more. All right. So that's funded. The way you get the promo is if you purchase the account, send them the receipt that you get in a PDF document. You send it back to support@fundedfuturesnetwork.com, and they're going to send you a 100% discount code. That's how it works. Basically, that's all there is to it. You're welcome. And they're going to send you 100% discount, one-time use only. unique code only for you, and you can activate it. Excuse me. So gold is looking good. Oh my gosh, there is snow outside. We have this level here. We might have to be prepared for a possible short on NQ as well. Who knows? I don't know. Still have time. So again, if anyone purchases the Funded Futures network account and you get the receipt in email in about a few minutes after purchase, your job is to send the receipt back to support, and they're going to email you the second account promo code, which is going to be 100% discount code. That's how it works. All right, let's see how gold is doing. Oh, look at that. It's kind of retracing back up there, which is normal. But once it goes higher than that 38.8, maybe I don't want to hold that position. I mean, it was good for one, but you know, why just hold it here, especially if it wants to go higher. So yeah, I'm gonna be still kind of watching NQ, by the way. I'm obviously for that 600. If not, then I'll be watching this. Let's see, just a 7 a.m. low. Yeah, I'll be watching these London levels here. Most likely London low right here could be a good one. London low, and that's it. Okay. Let's wait for it. Hey, son of Wall Street, welcome. Yeah, we're back. Trying to make some money, you know? Trying to push it. The gold trade is looking really good. I kind of like it. I wish we would always have the same kind of trades. I mean, if we would go down to that gap. But for now, nothing is moving. NQ is kind of holding the same area. Let's go, Ahmed. Let's go. Found another 50. Let's go. Congratulations. I might gonna have some coffee for later. Who knows? So far, I'm kind of liking this situation. And so far, it's also interesting to see how NQ is kind of holding this area. All right, let's well, there's not much to do. RSI pointing down, NQ is kind of holding. Would be great to see a nice gold drop here. Excuse me. Would be awesome to see that. Dun, 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 dun. One more thing though, if it gets down to 4,400, maybe it wouldn't be a bad decision on gold to take some partials. Just an idea. If it goes down there. But who knows? Just an idea. If not, no problem. NQ still looks like it wants to go lower. Bum, 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 bum. What should we do? I still feel like that NQ wants to go higher. I don't know why I have this feeling. It's kind of weird, I know. Can it go 600, right? Okay. I mean, it can. Definitely can. I think it can. That's my idea. Hadley, good morning. Hello. Nikkei took all liquidity since the Asia session. Okay. So then this would be interesting to see. What is ES doing, by the way? Oh, okay. ES also having some good targets up there. Hey, Gabor, hello there. I might gonna close the gold trade if it starts to go a little bit crazy here. But we'll see. We shall see. So far, so good. By the way, since we're just waiting and waiting, let's all smash that like button, everybody. Please help out the channel. It's free to do, helps out the stream. Thank you so much. Smash those likes. We can get some some more notification from YouTube. Thank you so much for helping out. Let's bump those numbers on the likes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Coffee ready? Well, there is some coffee in the kitchen, so I do have to get it because my mug is empty. As I'm supposed to be in all data, yeah. I don't think this is gonna have any certain effect. I don't think, I mean, this number, I don't put too much emphasis on this number. So manufacturing PMI number, it's a survey. That's the thing. It's a survey index, which means managers are filling out a survey what they think about the industry. That's what it means. So basically nobody cares what managers are thinking about the manufacturing industry. If the number would be like absolutely crazy, then maybe yes, but I don't think that the number is going to be, even if it's going to be positive or negative, but if it's not going to be a crazy number, nobody really cares what managers are saying. Nobody, because it's a survey. I do know a guy who trades fundamentals and he makes huge amount of money swing trading, and he told me nobody really cares about the survey numbers because it's just a survey. It's in the name. So nobody cares. I mean, yes, if the number would be completely disastrous or super positive, yes, but otherwise nobody cares. So that's it. So we'll see. I would actually put this, instead of red folder news, I would put it maybe orange folder news, not red folder news. But yeah, obviously it can shake the market a little bit. We'll see, but not too. I wouldn't think that it would be shaking the market too much. But yeah. Herb, hello there. Hello, Herb. What's up? No problem. You did not miss anything. All I have is this gold trade, which I might gonna close. I don't know. I still don't know what to do with it. I feel like as we're getting closer to the market open, we don't know how everything will going to react. I mean, we see the reaction from, I mean, for this Venezuela thing on weekend, but yeah. Did you expect silver and platinum to be more profits at the end of the year? No. I was actually surprised, but no. Yazan, hello from Syria. Hello there. Welcome. Thanks for tuning in. So I wasn't expecting that. I believe Venezuela or it was already priced. Yeah, I think so too. I think the Venezuela thing has already been priced in. I don't think there is anything much more to it, but who knows. You are welcome. Thanks for being here, Yazan. Just Ain't Right is here in the flesh. Hello. Hey. Welcome. How's it going? So yeah, I'm kind of holding this gold short position. I don't know what to think about it. If this is gonna, well, yeah, it's almost 8 a.m. Eastern Standard. If this one starts to go back up there, I might just gonna close it manually. Then maybe you have to, we're gonna see maybe one more squeeze to those highs up there. But anyway, here's the 8 a.m. right now. Let's see how this is gonna go. It could be, I mean, comics is gonna open in 20 minutes. So that could be an interesting result for gold, but anyway. Do you think US session will take Asia low? Well, on NQ, let's see, Asia low, this would be somewhere around there. There's a possibility, yes. Yes, I would say so. The question is, right now, are we going to move higher and sweep this liquidity there? There's some buy side. I don't know if it's going to move or not. Maybe not. If not, and we can shift below 530, I would say, then yes, we have a good chance to go lower and take that Asia low. The Asia low that I would be looking at is, let's see, it's so we have London low and we have Asia low. Honestly, I would put the Asia low somewhere here. I know you guys would disagree, I know, but that's what I would put it. So London low 455, 448 would be my Asia low. If it's not gonna go up there, that's fine. Then I would be looking for a shift lower. The gold trade, unfortunately, is not looking good. So as I said, I might going to close it. We have the comics open real soon. We'll see the reaction. I'm not sure. To be honest, I think I'm gonna close it. I don't know. Kind of hesitating here. I'm still kind of hesitating. We do have the gap down there. I know that. So dollar is ripping. I see. And then everything intact. Okay, well, let's see. Away from source. Thank you for the info. Let's see what's gonna happen. Might be heading back towards that Asia high. Could be. It's kind of a tough situation right now. COMEX, commodity exchange floor, the floor trades, not the comics. I know it sounds like I say comics, but COMEX, commodity exchange. Actually, the physical trading floor, which opens up in 17 minutes. COMEX, sorry. My time, it's right now, it's 2 p.m. $6 p.m. Sunday Eastern Standard would be midnight for me. That would be midnight. My favorite platform, oh my gosh, it's hard to say. I do love Quant Tower, is awesome. I think it's great. Currently, this trade is on NinjaTrader, so I think Quant Tower is my #1, and NinjaTrader is also cool. I don't trade the others. Yeah, no. It should be opening. It's at 8:20. That's the stock exchange open, and this is basically just the physical trading floor, the commodity exchange. That could be a bit of an extra volume here. I'm sorry. We'll see. We'll see. I think I'm closing down this trade. Yeah, I closed down this trade on gold. I'm just gonna wait and see what's gonna happen. Dun, dun, dun. Du, 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 du. Let's see. NQ is holding the area, that's for sure. So NQ is holding this pretty good, I must say. So but there are some good levels down there, so that would be another interesting scenario. If it keeps heading down, then maybe I would be targeting that London low, then lower. There's still a possible short signal here based on the indicator. Hey, Olis, what's up? My bias for New York, it's hard to say. I wanted to see some liquidity sweep at 603. We might not gonna get there until the market open. Liquidity sweep above 600, but at the end, I like to see a drop lower. Take out London low and Asia low. So I would say in the bigger picture, I like to see some bearish moves. For now, it's difficult to say because we are right now in the middle of this congestion area. Basically, kind of acting as support, but I don't know. It's really hard to say. Just gonna have to wait. I wouldn't be surprised on a drop to sweep some liquidity below the 500s, but then it should be taking out those Asia lows and stuff. I don't know. It's kind of weird. 36, 26, okay. Okay. Yeah, the market is just holding this area. Not much is going on. I feel like it's just weak to push it higher. Previous day high would be good. Well, if it gets there, that would be an interesting scenario. For now, all I can do is wait. I was kind of waiting for some sort of a volume or movement, some momentum here after 8, but it's not happening yet. I feel like NQ is just getting weaker, but who knows? Yeah, that's a good plan. Hey, Camila, you're a get. Hello, good afternoon. So I'm technically just waiting for liquidity sweep. That's all I'm doing. The gold trade did not turn out to be the best choice for now. And by the way, yeah, gold is just hovering there. I'm gonna be focusing on NQ a little bit more. Nothing here on this one. Okay, so there could be a possible long trade here. And yeah, as for okay, this could be a possible long signal on NQ based on the indicator. I think we can do this here. So if it gets us a signal, maybe I can try to take a long position on it. Why not? We still have time, but we need this one to close higher. It's not the best, but I took it. It's a bit of an early trade. Yeah, and it's a tricky one anyways. So this trade has been based on the indicator. It's not an A++ setup, so what I can do actually is I can leave a runner, maybe, who knows, until 600. How about that? We'll leave a runner until that level, and I'm just gonna take a partial, for example, here. How about that? Just to see how it goes, if it goes. Oh, okay. So let's see how far can this one go. Oh no. Okay, this bigger pink dot, I mean this one I don't like. This could be a potential turning point to go lower. This is not a good sign for our long position here. But anyway, we're gonna wait and see. Oh yeah, exactly. Not a good sign. Could be repricing this small gap here, but I think it's gonna take out that 44 level, unfortunately. Anyway. Yeah, there's a gap there on the micro. That's never a good sign. That's never a good sign. 44th X Punisher, hello there. Welcome. Hey, what's up? How's it going? Yeah, this trade is gonna go to the dumpster. I'm just 99.9% sure. Last resort is that it's going to reprice this small gap and then bump higher, but I don't think I think it's just going to take out those equal lows at 44. Yeah. No problem. No problemo. It's a small trade. Okay, gold is still there. It's kind of hovering, repricing that liquidity void now. Great, no problema. Okay. Yeah, just waiting. Yeah, it might gonna go to the wrong way here. But still, you know, one of the reasons why I took it is because I think there could be liquidity above 600. If it's gonna go down now, then maybe after 9:30 we can see some movement higher. Anyway, I was just missing that liquidity sweep higher. That's it. What's your buffer? What do you mean, buffer? I mean, I'm usually looking for it. I mean, to leave at least $2,000 on the account at least, which is normal on most of these prop firms. TP in this 5 minute. Okay, let's hope so. Interesting to see how it went down. Took liquidity from that liquidity void. But not looking too good, to be honest. It's not looking that good. It's not looking that good, unfortunately. A friend of mine coded it and gave it to me. Actually recoded it. But it's very simple. It's just an RSI and moving averages and zigzag. That's all. Nothing more. It has an anchored VWAP kind of thing here. And that is it. But I'll be uploading it because he was working on it to customize it, to fine tune it. And I was like, okay, this is the one I was testing for like almost 17 months now. Obviously, it provides not just winning trades, but losing trades as well. And this was just based on this indicator. Look at gold. You know, if gold would close higher than this, that could be a possible long signal there. Okay, unfortunately, this trade is not looking good. Definitely not looking good. Well, it's for MetaTraders, so I think it was. I think he was using. I mean, when a MetaTrader, I know it has the meta quotes language, but I think he was using Python for fine tuning. It's not really a bubble, but it's almost like a bubble. I know it seems like a bubble. It's basically a zigzag indicator, which you can identify as a bubble. It's a potential turning point, which is similar to the book map. Like some orders are filling in and then changing the direction. But it's repaints. So it does repaint as long as there is no structure shift and it goes higher, it is going to repaint. So... Hey, thank you so much, Trading Star. Thank you, thank you. So unfortunately, it does seem like it wants to go lower. And there's nothing we can do about it. Relative equal lows at 44, so yeah, not much to do with it. I mean, if it sweeps the low, it can still go higher, by the way, so it's not the end of the world, but I'm not going to hold this trade for longer than that. It is what it is. Yeah, he's going to take that low. Very close. Very close to sweep that low. We have the comics open, by the way. Yeah, not much is moving. All right. It should be off any second. There you go. It's off. Okay, looking for the next opportunity, and this is gold on the left. Unfortunately, this took us out. But again, we just swept the lows here. What if it still wants to go higher, you know? Still a possibility. Okay, so that is a loss. We had the break-even trade on gold and the loss on NQ. And now it seems like NQ might gonna go even lower here. It does seem like it. You know what? It might gonna go down to that London low. Oh yeah, I can't switch the charts. I don't know why. It always gives me this error message. Anyway. So London low would be somewhere, yeah, at 460. Or maybe it wants to get down to where's the 500 level, by the way? There's 500. I don't know. It's kind of strange. I don't know if it will get down there or not. But nice little drop here. Gold is still kind of holding. If we go down into the 5 minute here, I'm just going to show you something. Let me get this off. And that's why it could be interesting somewhat. If it wants to tag that level or not. This here, this candle is actually a 5 minute demand zone. Let's just give it a different color. So the 5 minute demand zone low as a sell side would be 505.25. So if it wants to sweep way more liquidity, that's the level. But otherwise, I don't know. Just gonna be waiting. Crazy movement. Asia low at what? Asia low would be, on my terms, it would be at 448. 448 would be Asia low. London low would be 455. 448 would be Asia low. The interesting thing that they're really close to each other. So and we have a 5-minute demand zone as well down there. We have another one. We have the new week opening gap. So there's some juicy levels down there. I get it. That's why it could be a little bit interesting. For gold, gold Asia low. Gold Asia low. In my terms, this would be Asia low. 43.97.1 on gold. This would be Asia low on gold, I think. You know, after the Tokyo Open, you know, look at this push here and then swing low. You know, 43.97.1. That's how I would put it. Okay, NQ. Repricing the fair value gaps here. Let's see how far. It could be pushing higher. I mean, way higher. Okay, it's the waiting game. You're in goal longs. Let's see, Martin. I'm just kind of wondering if NQ wants to sweep lower, or you know, it's hard to get by on this. It can still go easily for the 600. I mean, NQ. Anyway. Omar, which prop firm I recommend? Well, there are some good ones. I would say the top 3 would be Take Profit Trader. MyFundedFutures is really good. Lucid Trading coming up very strong. My favorite is Take Profit Trader, and MyFundedFutures is good too. But Take Profit Trader, Lucid, Bulenox is very good. I mean, I get it why people don't like, because it has a bigger activation fee, but still cheap upfront cost. Today and tomorrow, still some good sales going on. But I mean, yeah, there are some good ones, really. All these ones that you see here on the stream are really good ones. They are good. If something goes bad with them, I wouldn't be promoting them. Funded Futures Network has a buy one get one for free promo right now. Anyway, we have the futures open, I think. Okay, it's pushing back up there. As I said, we could be looking for that 600 level, but who knows? Anyway, I don't think I'm going to take a trade. So I'm just going to call it here, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be at MyFunded TV shortly. So I'll be back for tomorrow, London, and early New York again. But a break even and a small loss here on NQ. So I'm not going to force anything. Let's just wait and see what's it going to do after the 9:30 open. All right. So thank you so much for watching. And if you'd like to support the channel, please choose the promo code TOMSABO when you're purchasing an account. There is a buy one, get one for free at MyFundedFutures network. But there are some sales going on. No activation fee, 40% off at Take Profit Trader, Bulenox, Apex, 90% off. And, you know, MyFundedFutures, Rapid accounts, and Pro accounts are on sale. And some good ones. Lucid Trading, check them out. No monthly payments. Only one time, no activation fee. Thank you. And I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow and at MyFunded TV. So God bless you all. Thank you so much. Cheers.